Welcome guys. Apply heat on the back cover of the phone with heat gun. On the top is Wi-Fi flex, in the center is LCD, and sub flex in the bottom is antenna flex. Make space with blade between back cover and body. Remove back cover with X-ray, but careful, do not damage any flex which is under the back cover. Eject SIM tray. Remove all the screw. Remove inner body. Remove main flex from both sides. Disconnect battery connector. Keep phone on glass separator for 10 to 15 minutes with 80 temperature, battery gum will be soft, you can easily remove the battery. Remove battery with X-ray, do not use any metal tool for battery remove, metal tool can blast the battery. Use gasoline for more softness, you can use any cleaner. Clean place of the battery from inside the body. For battery attachment you can use gum T8000 or E1000 and double-sided tape, as I am using double-sided tape. Install the battery and connect battery connector to the main board. Install main flex from both sided. Install inner body. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Put back all the screw. Apply gum on the place of back cover. Install back cover of the phone. In the end must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. All you have done successfully. Thank you for watching.